Yo, what up, ChiTownGarage? We're back with another quick video. Today's video, had to do it again. This is my, I don't know, like 13 piston figure that I just actually finished making this one, but this is the 13 piston figure that I've done since I started welding, and I guess I'm kind of getting pretty good at it. This one, middle finger guy, I got Goro, and I got I don't know what I'm going to call this, the Barbarian. But let's get to this one first. I'll get to the Barbarian first, and then I'll come back to these two guys. So this one I just finished doing it yesterday. I just put clear coat. What I use this top half, it's a gear for a gear drum or a brake drum from a go-kart. I use these two bolts at his ears. I use screws at his eyes. I used a wrench. What is this? I believe is 16. This cap here, it's from a filter. I used a chain link. This is actually a bike chain. I use these as his belly. Actually moves too. Let's see. I use this one is a brake drum from a vehicle. I use these rods from Home Depot. Just bend them down, heat them up. Here you go. This is the back side. Everything looks shiny already. Like I said, I did throw clear coat on it into it already. This piece here, I just found it. It was on my box, so I just used whatever I got. I got bolts, washers, screws. These ones I also made it out of this rod, so if you guys can see his fingers. Just bended them, heat them, weld them. So put 4 fingers in each. If you guys can see on that one also, I used the bolt to hold his shield up. And here you go right here, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this guy here. I was gonna actually put the front ones. So my design that I was gonna do a jailhouse guy, but every single time I try to do a piston, it always comes out as a different design, which I think this one's better. My welding, a lot of people will be telling me what kind of welder I've been using. I've been using the 140 millimeter auto set, of course with a gas. This one's pretty good. Let me see. So here goes the Barbarian. Let me know what you guys think. I know my light, I gotta get a brighter light. I'm just, not used to using this one, but here goes the Barbarian. So here goes Goro. I know I did posted a video of Goro. I put his name right there, Goro. I just used a drummer. I put a eye patch, same thing as design. This is from a hanger. I just cut them, bend on them. Fingers, 3 fingers, bolts. I use this part here from the piston. It grabbed from the piston. Let me turn him around real quick. I did weld it, both of them. I did weld them. Also, this part right here is the one that goes, then grabs the piston. So I use that as a shoulder. On this one, everything's removable. His arms are removable, and his head, I just twist them and remove them if I want to. I use this spring here, coil spring, the tight one. I used his belt is just copper. It's a copper belt. So there goes Goro. Here goes the middle finger. This guy also, he's his head is also removable, twist on. His arms are removable also, like sideways or so, and then it goes up and down, forward. His pipe is just his cigar is just a pipe. His arm also movable. If I could, I don't need to remove these screws because it's already welded. Even though I did put a metal rod in there, and I know this is aluminum, but here you go. Here goes another. This is another project It's coming up all right. It's just a alien creature making it into a lamp. Also everything's movable up and down. This is his end also. Let me see, this one, the decor, I just finished doing it. Everything's well done to it. Everything got chains, screws, bolts, springs, wrenches, yokes. I got a yoke there, and then I got these springs here. Let me see, what else guys, what else? I am making another one. I'm trying to make a bigger one, like a snake looking like one, which I know is gonna look dope. I did make a scorpion, which I'm gonna take you guys upstairs right now. You know what, let me bring it down so you guys can see. Hold on a second. Alright guys, here goes the big one. So this one, this is the big scorpion, which I was gonna make a scorpion. There's a video out there that I have. It's actual scorpion, but this one I wanted to make it a little bit different. I did made it out of piston head. Also the piston does it could come off. I just removed these two bolts and the piston pops out. His head, it's shiny, it's chrome too. I polished them. I got this chain for his tail. I was gonna put a hook just like the other one for, you know, like the scorpion, but I just decided to put it. This is also moves back and forth. His tail, let me see, I used the coil spring. If you guys can see, shaft springs. This chain is a double-sided chain, something like that. Forgot what were these called, but yeah, I got a for his throat, I got a spring also. You guys can see his, everything's pretty shiny. I use these when I removed my engine. I took these out of transmission gears. Alright, so also what I used as his neck is wheel bearings. Also their bodies, I used wheel bearings also. If you guys can see, this one no, only the barbarian, and then the scorpion and the decor. So these are all wheel bearings. This one actually moves. I made it like that so it could move, and then once you decor, put it inside your wall, you could put whatever you want in there. Also I made Captain Hook right here. This is just my wall holder, so I put that one there. Let me see. Oh, and I got, these are my two welding masks. I also, you guys can see there's a video out there that I made, the Friday the 13th mask. I just grabbed this yoke here, and then I just welded some chains, and I put my welding to hold my welding mask. And then I grabbed these wheelers that I have, and then I just tacked them. And then these are just my welding mask holders. So there goes Michael Myers. The only thing that it is different is that I actually should have bought one of these, a pipeline mask, to make it into here, but I'm actually gonna make another one. But here you go guys, another sign, BIG. I did make Tupac, but that one was sold right away. Also, so this one's a chain. This one's already done. I'm making these gears out of a clock for your wall. Man cave garage. My helmets, like I said, my piston figures. I got 3. I had more, just kept on selling them once I made them. And here you go guys. So that's this is the heaviest one. Actually this one's heavier than the actual scorpion. Check out my video down below. I will put it in the description below so you guys could check out that scorpion out. But the details on this one, it's, he even blew me. I might think I made these eyelids. I was gonna make him eyelids, but I might do stitchings. I don't know yet. But I mean, like I said, I do this for a hobby. I do make them and I do sell them. I'll have another guy here ready. This one's gonna be a bubble head actually. So I'm gonna end up welding this one right here, and it's gonna be a bubble head. So I think I'm gonna short it down though. I don't know yet, but that one's done. Alright you guys, well this is a quick video. Oh, over there I got my grenade. I did made another grenade, but let me see you guys. So I think that's about it. I still got a bunch of metal here. I'm gonna end up making, you know, more of these guys. But let me know what you guys think, you know. Just follow these projects, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment below. And whoever doesn't like them, you know, whoever doesn't like my channel, like my pistons, meet the finger guy. Peace.